I consult my clients how they can focus on baking bread.
I don't know whether I sell bread or if I'm doing accounting. Every day when I wake up in the morning, I really look forward to baking and selling bread all day. And then I'm doing accounting all day. I don't know what to do. And I'm so depressed that my therapist needs to talk to their therapist. How can I sell bread?
I'm an accountant. However, I have automated, digitized, and standardized all data. This saves your time, space, and money. I love testing accounting software and finding new ways to optimize for my clients. Accounting is the heart of your data and it shows your results. For example, which of your bread sells best? This is the bread you should bake the most.
My name is Hans, and I focus on baking bread. I love accounting songs. My favorite artist is Agnes Andersen. Pick it up and turn it on. I picked up the automated accounting and turned it on. I knew exactly what I needed because Mrs. Andersen has seen and tested all software solutions already. I can't wait for the next Andersen Award, the 10th of September 2021. Happy New Year!